first kitchen wasn't a room, it wasn't a space, it was a spark, a moment in a dark cave when early human rubbed two stones together, not to cook, but to survive. And that accident changed history forever. The evolution of kitchens, from 1 million BC to 2100 AD, the first kitchen of early hominins. 1 million BC, first fire pits. 1 million years ago, the first fire pits were born. Shallow holes in the earth, glowing with embers, the earliest kitchens in human history. By 790,000 BC, cooking wasn't random anymore. It was organized. Early humans arranged stones, placed wood strategically, and created designated cooking zones, hearths inside shelters. Then came a breakthrough. Fire moved inside. Hearths inside shelters meant warmth, protection, and the birth of indoor cooking. Hunter-gatherers built circular kitchens, centered around fire, community, and survival. But now, cooking was becoming a part of culture. Neolithic village kitchens, clay ovens and farming kitchens. With farming came villages, and with villages came the first indoor clay ovens. A new era. The kitchen was now a dedicated space. Pottery and early civilizations. 5000 to 2000 BC. 5000 BC brought a revolution, pottery cooking, and soon, Egypt built rooftop kitchens. China engineered ceramic stoves. Mesopotamia and the Indus Valley created the world's first kitchen rooms. Ancient Africa, Nubia, Aksum, outdoor clay stoves. Classical era kitchens, 1000 BC to 500 CE. Great empires refined cooking. Greek, 800 to 146 BC. Stone stoves, bronze pots. Persian Achaemenid, 550 to 330 BC. Tandoor-like clay ovens. Chinese, 1046 BC to 220 CE. Cast iron pots, woks. Roman kitchens, 27 BC to 476 CE. Roman kitchens used iron tripods and gridirons, counters, portable stoves, early chimneys. Cooking became architecture. Middle Eastern and Arabic Golden Age, 600 to 1400 CE. In the Islamic Golden Age, cooking became science, recipes, refined clay ovens, spice trade, advanced utensils. Medieval world kitchens, 500 to 1500 CE. Across Europe, Africa, and Asia, large communal kitchens, smoky halls, hearth-centered meals. Medieval to Renaissance, 1800 CE. From smoky communal halls to private kitchen rooms to chimneys that carried away the smoke. By the Renaissance, tools were standardized, and by 1800, kitchens became planned architectural spaces. World regions: Europe, Italy, France, England, Ottoman Empire, Mughal India, China's Ming Dynasty, Japan's Edo period, Industrial Revolution, 1820 to 1950 CE, cast iron, gas, electric kitchens. Industrial era, 1820, cast iron stoves. 1880 to 1920, gas stoves. 1920s to 1930s, mixers, toasters, blenders. 1940s to 1950s, gas and electric kitchen. America, Europe, Russia, and Japan transformed kitchens into mechanical spaces. This era changed the style of cooking. First came iron, after that came gas, and then electricity. Stoves became machines. Mixers, toasters, and blenders transformed how we cooked forever. The digital kitchen, 1960 to 2020s, digital era. 1967, microwave. 1980s, electronic timers, induction. 2000s, smart appliances. 2010s, IoT kitchens. Kitchens connected to the internet, learning your habits, your diet, your life. Near future kitchens. kitchens, 2025 to 2050. 2025, smart kitchens. 2030, cooking robots. 2040, molecular food customization. 2045, zero waste homes. 2050, closed-loop kitchen ecosystems, self-sustaining ecosystems. Future kitchens, 2060, 2090. 2060, nanotech cleaning. Nanobots will run and clean your entire kitchen. 2070, synthetic ingredient dispensers. Synthetic ingredient dispensers replace grocery shopping. 2080, holographic assistants. Holographic assistants guide your recipes. 2090, Earth, Mars, orbital kitchens. Quantum kitchens. 2100, quantum food pods. Automated, personalized, nearly invisible. From a spark in a cave to quantum kitchens in 2100, our kitchens tell the story of us, of survival, of invention, and of a future where food is no longer cooked but created. Subscribe for more evolution documentaries.